Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to show the search bar to be able to search within a document for your Visual Studio Code text editor. First, we'll need to go up to the top panel here after starting your VS Code text editor, and we'll click on View. Under View, there's an option from the top down, which is the sixth option. Click on Search. This will then create this search bar option that will let you see and let you search within your VS Code text editor. And so there you have it. This is how you can show the search bar to search within your Visual Studio Code text editor document that you have open.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.